Hi, I just want to show you how to use your Microsoft account or your 365 account. If you open up a new tab and you are going to look for Office 365 and you click on this Office 365 because the logo has changed. If you click on that, you're supposed to be able to sign in. So let me just show you. I'm now signed in, but you could sign into another account. So if I sign in and you sign in with the account that I gave you, you can add, and then you sign in here, and then you go next, and you then put in your password that you were given, and then you are able to come to the screen that I'll just do that quickly. Yes. And you are able to come to the screen that you want to be at. So all I want to show you right now is you are home, right? You are in your home screen, and all you go to install apps. If you click on this down arrow over here, you'll be able to install Microsoft 365 apps. So when you click on it, it then automatically installs on your computer. You are now able to use all these Microsoft apps offline. You don't have to be online to use it once it is installed and updated on your account. And I hope this helped you in some way. Just give a shout out if you are stuck with any step.